Hi guys, welcome again to another edition of your everyday computer software tips and tricks. Now, are you a small business owner or an individual who's looking to sell their products online but don't know how? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily create an online store for yourself using WordPress Woocommerce. Now, if you don't have any coding experience, you don't need to worry. I'm going to take you through a step-by-step approach about how you can go about this. And there's also a tidbit at the end of this video, so stick and stay till the end of the video. Now, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also, if you are returning, please like the video to help the algorithm push this video forward. Now, let's begin. So this is the simple WooCommerce website we'll be creating. As you can see, we have some products listed here. So I'm going to show you how you can set all this up and also change your products to be able to sell on your website. So let's get started. So now, before we can create our WooCommerce website, we need to set up what is called a hosting and a domain. Now, the hosting is basically a place where your website will be stored, and the domain is the address which people you use to find your website. So if your website is going to be called mywebsite.com or mywebsite.net, that name is something that you need to buy from a provider. Now, there are tons of providers online where you can buy a hosting and a domain package from, but in this video I recommend one of the hosting platforms that I've been using for quite some time now. They are very good. They are called Namecheap. So you can easily go to that website and you can get a hosting plan for as low as $24 for the whole year, or you can actually select a package that will suit you. So if you look on this website here, I'm on the Namecheap website here. If you go to for online beginners, you can view the plans. Now you can see they have various or different packages. I've left a link in the description below that will take you to the website where you can easily buy a hosting and domain package. Now, if you are not very technical and you need help with buying your hosting or domain services, I'll be very much glad to help you out. So you can leave a comment in the section below if you need help with this. I'm available to help you with that. Now, for your domain, you need to actually search whether the domain name that you want to use is not already taken, because two people can't use the same domain name for a website. So whatever name you want to choose, you can easily type the name out here and search if it's available. Now, for this tutorial, I recommend you get this package on the Namecheap platform, which is almost $6 for the whole year, which is very cheap. I've left a link in the description below, which will take you straight to this website where you can buy your domain name. Now, again, if you are not very technical and you need help, please let me know in the comment section below. So now, once our hosting and our domain is sorted, now we need to go ahead and install WordPress. Now, what most of the hosting providers do is they provide an easy way for you to install WordPress. So if you come to the cPanel section of your hosting provider and you scroll down, you see WordPress icon here, or you can also click on the app installer here. So let's just go ahead and click on the on WordPress down here. Now it will take us to a place where we can easily install our WordPress website. So go ahead and click on install now. Now it will bring you to a place where you can do the quick installation. Now I already have a website here, so I don't want to create another website on this domain name. So what I'll do is I'll just create another directory where I can create another website. So let me call this my new website. So this is where, or the directory where the website will be stored in. Now you need to also change the name, site name. Let's just say my new website. The site description can also be the same thing. You can just go ahead, ignore these other options. Now admin account. Now this is the login details that you use at the back end to log into your WordPress website. So you can actually change the name to whatever you want and change the password as well. So I'll just go ahead and change my password. Now you should also put an admin email address. So whatever happens on the site, this is the email that would all your information or notifications will be sent to. So you can actually change it and put any email address that you want to put here. So once you are done with this, we are almost done. You can decide to limit login attempt just for security purposes. So if someone tries to log in like 3 times into your WordPress account, they will be blocked. And yeah, so basically we are done. Just scroll down and click on let's just put our admin email here as well. Just copy and then put the same thing in. Now once you provided all the other details, you can go ahead and click on install. So it says our password strength must be above 80. So let me just add a symbol to it and another symbol. So it's above 85 now. Okay, so now we can go ahead. Let's click on install, and our WordPress website installation is underway. So we just need to wait for a few minutes for the installation to finish. So our installation is done. Now if you want to go to the back end of our website, you've been provided with an administrative URL, so just click on that and will take you to the back end of your WordPress website. Now you need to remember the login details that you use, that is your username and your password, because that is what you are going to use to log in. But because I'm in the cPanel section already, it's already logged me in, and we are good to now start installing or getting our WordPress online store, WooCommerce store ready. So first off, we need to go to plugins. We need to be able to install WooCommerce. Go to add new, and then we are going to search for WooCommerce. Just search for WooCommerce in there and it will just pop up. So now you need to install WooCommerce right here, the first one that pops up. So now let's get it underway and let's activate it. So once your WooCommerce is installed and activated, you'll be brought to this page where you'll be required to finish setting up your WooCommerce. But for now, we want to skip the store settings. Just hit no thanks and it will bring you back to the dashboard. And let's go ahead and install our theme for our store. So go to appearance. Now the appearance section, go to add new. We want to install the theme that we'll be using for our WooCommerce store. Now there are a ton of websites or places where you can go online to get free as well as premium WordPress themes, but in this video I'm going to use one of the themes that I bought before and to use to show you how you can install a template and then just use that for your online store. So to install the template, just go to upload theme, choose the file, go to where the template is and just install. Select the theme. Normally it comes in a zip folder, and just hit on install now. So our theme has finished installing. If it's not activated, please make sure that you activate it. Now for the theme to be able to work, it needs or is recommending certain plugins that needs to be installed. So we just need to go ahead and click on begin installing plugins. It will open up the plugins that we need to install for the theme to be able to work. Now click on plugin here, which will select all of them, and go to install and click on apply. So we'll try and install all our themes for us. Now there's a critical error. Okay, so we need to do it one after the other. So let's go back to install plugins here, and as you can see, our first plugin is installed. We need to install the other one, so let's go ahead and install them one after the other. So now we've installed all of them. Now we need to activate them. So selecting all of them, just click on activate and go hit on apply. It will activate all our plugins for us. So our theme and plugins are nicely installed. Now let's head over under appearance, go to import demo data. You can see some demo data that you can install, which will help you set up your WordPress WooCommerce online store very quickly. So let's go to the shop home and hit on import demo. And once you are here, it says this demo will import 59 items including one page, 46 images and 12 products. So we'll just go on continue and import. Just give it a few minutes to finish importing all the demo data. So our demo data has finished importing. Now let's go to visit sites. So our WordPress website is almost set up now. Just a few things that we need to get done. There's one more thing we need to import. Now go to under appearance, import demo data, go to miscellaneous and make sure that you import this demo data also. So I've already imported it. You just need to go to continue and import the menu for the template as well. So please go ahead and do that. So once you are done with that, you need to go back to appearance, go to menus, go to manage locations in here. Now for the nav bar nav, make sure you select that to be the primary menu, and you can leave the rest for now, or you can go ahead and do the rest as well. So social media, go in there and select social menu. Footer menu, do the same. Footer shop menu, you also find that here. Top left bar, same. Top right, top bar right, also here. Custom or contact links, you can go to the contact menu and select that. And once you are done with this, just go to save changes. So once those changes are saved, now head over to settings, go to reading, select a static page for your home page. Now let's click on demo shop homepage and hit on save changes. So once those changes are done, we are almost done with our WooCommerce website now. Let's head over here and right click on visit site to open another tab for us, and let's look at how our website now looks like. Wow, so our website is done here, and we have the home page and then some other menus also created for us. Now you can go ahead and remove these extra menus here in the menu section that you don't need, but basically we've imported a demo site of an WooCommerce website, the one that we looked at previously, and as you can see, it's looking very good here with some products on it. Now let's see how we can change or edit the product so that you can sell our items on there. So now you have some demo products on the website. Now suppose you want to put our product in there, we need to go to products here. So he has already imported some product for us and given it some pricing, some items in there. Now if you want to change them, you can go ahead and change them. You can also add new products by coming to the section here that says add new. So let's just say we want to use some of the imported ones and just change the name. So just go to edit, So when you go to edit, you can change the name of the product here. Now it says Bluetooth headset. You can change it to whatever products that you want to sell. You can change the image in here and add your own, upload your own images to the website. So there are a ton of images already imported. You can put in your own images and then delete the ones that were imported for the template. So once you are done, you can change the pricing here. You can have a regular price or a sale price. You can change the product categories. Any product description can be placed in here. And then you can also, for the product, if it has certain variables, you can also do that here. Shipping, inventory, attributes. I'll not go much into details about how you go about this, but you get the flow how this would be done. Now once you are okay with this or editing a product, you can go ahead and then just hit on update, and the product will be updated, which will reflect on your home page. So that's where, if you want to change, add any product category, add new here, you can add a product category, add tags to it, and some attributes. Now if you need help with any of these, please leave your question in the comment section, and I'll be happy to address it for you. So heading back to our website here, we have the products here. You can click on any of the product, it will open the product for you, and you can check the product pricing, check the description to see what you want, or any user at all can click and get a preview of the product. You can put the product descriptions under them here, and when you scroll down, you can see some related products also. So you can change all of these products to suit the products that you sell or you want to sell. Now suppose we want to just do a test run here, so let's just click on add to cart. Now once we add to the cart, you can go to the checkout page. So it says view carts, military carton cap has been added to your cart. Let's go to the cart section, it opens, and then you can go to the checkout page. Now on the checkout page is where the user or the buyer will fill their details, so that you can use that details to deliver the products to them. So this is the checkout page. This is where the user will be required to fill their details. So if you put just some dummy details in the company, region, you can select the region. The person can select the region, address. Let's just put some dummy text in there: city, postcode, phone number, and other details that is required for the user to put in, email address. Now once the order is the billing details are inputted by the user, they can just go ahead and then just place the order. Now if you want to learn how you can integrate a payment system onto your WordPress website, I have a video up there that you can check out, which shows you how you can integrate a mobile money payment or a Visa payment or MasterCard payment onto your WooCommerce website. So please, you can check the video. So this is how you create a simple WordPress WooCommerce website for your products that you want to sell online. If you want to learn more about the theme that I use in this tutorial, I've left a link in the description that will take you to the website where you can buy this template. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos I'll be uploading. If you still need help with your website, I'm available to help in here, so you can just hit me up in the comment section and I'll get back to you as quickly as possible. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope to see you in the next video.